Go. You like that? Yeah, that's good. It was funny. But dude, look at this. Look at this. It's so disgraceful.
Hey.
You have a freaking kid go trick-or-treating, and this is all he gets. That's a disgrace to every obese child out there.
Oh, look who's talking.
Stop it.
That's amazing.
So, I'm gonna take this full trick-or-treating again, and then we're gonna see it again. Okay? So guess who just got his first new bag of candy? Who just got his first new bag of candy? Okay. So, yeah. So we're gonna get more, I guess. I don't know why I offered to do this, but I don't know. I'm gonna show them how people really should be trick-or-treating. So, I'll keep you posted.
You see, that's better. That's better.
It's like, he doesn't even want to go anymore, but it's like, dude, that was like the thing back then. And like, this neighborhood is so bad, like, they're not even good at it. There's like nobody trick-or-treating. And then they're using the back up, oh, he's a computer game. There's his little one, he's playing his little Dota. But yeah, it's like stupid, because it's like no one is doing it now. And it's like, when I was a kid, it was like everywhere. And I'm sure it's still everywhere for places, but it's like this neighborhood sucked. You know? Like, I would walk out with 6 freaking pillowcases full. Me and my friend were good. And we sold our candy at school and got money. It was great. God. Like, what do you gotta say for it? What do you gotta say?
I'm gonna say nothing.
See? It's like, kids don't have enthusiasm for Halloween anymore.
I still have enthusiasm.
See? It's like, no.
Don't listen to him. He's a fraud.
Okay, well, don't do that, please. It's like, it's weird. Like, anyway, better luck next year, right? Well, happy Halloween. Yeah.